So if you're trying to fix the yellow light on your Verizon router, so here are a couple of troubleshooting tips that you can try to fix this. So usually this yellow or the amber light here on the Verizon router usually indicates that there is an issue with your internet connection or with the router's functionality. So what we can do, the first thing first is check the cables and connections. So check your power cable. So your router's power cable, just check that if it's connected, plugged well, and it's turned on. Okay, and next is the Ethernet cable. If you're using a wired connection, verify that the Ethernet cable is properly plugged into both the router and your computer. So just check those cables. So make sure all the cables are fine, working, and perfect. Next, you can restart the router. So just unplug the power cable from the router. So if you have the router, just unplug it, everything. Wait for like 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then plug the power cable back, and then allow the router to restart. The yellow light might disappear once the connection is re-established. So just try that. And another thing is check for outrages. So sometimes the Verizon network might have issues. So you can always Google network Verizon network outrage. So you can see if there is you can visit the network status page here, and you can check the page and see if there are any outrages in your area, because that might be causing the issue. Okay, so you can also reach out to the support team and find out if there is any outrage. But other than that, if the light here, if your light is like a yellow, if it's a flashing yellow light, then it means that the router is trying to establish a connection. If it stays yellow for more than a few minutes, then there may be some other issue. But if the yellow light is like solid, it could indicate that the router is receiving a signal, but there is no internet connection or a problem with the configuration. So just check that which one that is. And if nothing else works, what you can do is you can try to do a factory reset. But keep in mind that this will erase all your settings, so you need to set up your network again afterwards. So if you want to reset your router, you just there will be a small reset button, okay, at the back of your router, usually near the power port. You'll see that. So use a paper clip or a pin, just press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds, and that will, and just hold it for 50 seconds and release it, and that will now reset your router to factory settings, and hopefully that should fix up the issue. If none other works, then the last thing that you can do is always click on your support team. So just ring the support team and let them troubleshoot it for you, and these are the ways how you can fix this.